Good day, learners! Welcome to an exciting and fun way of learning in technology and livelihood education. I am Marifel Balancho, your teacher in Dressmaking Exploratory.
Our lesson for today is different types of sewing machine. The objective of our lesson are identify the different types of sewing equipment and classify the use of sewing machine. Let's specify what is sewing machine. Sewing machine, a textile machine used to stitch fabric, cards, and other material with thread. Ibig sabihin, ang makinang pantahi ay ginagamit upang tahiin ang mga tela, cards, na ginagamit sa ilalim ng gown at iba pang material tulad ng semi-leather and leather gamit ang sinulit. Next, well-selected sewing machine is essential for achieving good result. It should be used correctly in accordance with the job requirements. So, kailangan nating piliin mabuti ang uri o klase ng sewing machine na ginagamit dahil bawat sewing machine na gagamitin ay may kanya-kanyang gamit at para maging satisfy ang kalalabasan ng tinahi natin. Let's go to types of sewing machine. Lock stitch sewing machine. This is usually used in homes and sometimes in school. It's also called domestic sewing machine. Pag sinabing domestic ay pambahay. So, it is run by foot and may also be converted to electrical power machine. Next, number 2, high-speed lock-stitch sewing machine. This is sometimes called straight stitching machine or industrial sewing machine. Industrial, ibig sabihin nito ay ginagamit sa garments, factory, mga paggawaan ng mga damit. Next, number 3, over-edging machine. Other companies call it small machine. It finishes the raw edges of the pattern for construction. So, yung mga gilid-gilid ay yung kanyang tinatahi kaya siya tinawag na over-edging machine. Number 4, embroidery machine. This is used in making fancy stitches and in making different kinds of embroidery stitches on fabric for barong Tagalog, pillowcases, linen, and other novelty items. Number 5, buttonholer machine. This is used in making buttonholes on garments. Number 6, button attachment machine. This is used in attaching buttons to the garment. Number 7, double needle machine. This is used in the construction of the different kinds of clothing, especially for the inseam, outseam, and side seam.